What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charting Crypto. Welcome to Armageddon. Actually, I mean, these coins are getting hit hard, and that is including Jasmy, which is down to 0.009, which is very unfortunate, man. We broke below a several year support area at that 0.017, and man, oh man, oh man, that means everyone who's been accumulating the last several years would be in the negative right now, which is very unfortunate. But overall, I do think Jasmine's going to recover nicely. It's just the charts right now. We have to find the support area. There's a lot of things going on with political things that are kind of like tanking the market, such as the tariffs being put everywhere. Eventually that stuff will calm down. The water will calm down, and then we can start slowly rising back up. But right now, Jasmine, in my personal opinion, is actually holding pretty good comparative to other coins, even though we are down a substantial amount. We are holding up at that 0.009, which we will be going over in this TA, the importance of this current support area where we're at. So $463 million market cap. All the coins are in circulation, 50 billion, all-time high 479, all-time low 0.002. You're still up 2.5x from the all-time low of 2 years ago. So I mean, if you bought 2 years ago, you'd be up right now. But other than that, everyone else is probably in the negative. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jasmy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into it. Let's get into it. It's wartime. It's it's time to rock and roll. Oh man, things are getting bad, 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 bad. So we actually did wick down to the support area, which we talked about. I haven't posted a video in a while, but we were talking the importance of the 0.009. If we did happen to break below that that 1.7 cents area, and that's exactly what happened. We're currently riding on this prior support, which goes all the way back to May of 2022. So we are at a critical support area, and we do not want this to break. If this breaks, we're going down to 0.007, which would be absolutely devastating. If we drop from the high to low right here, one positive thing that I can see about this current support level is it's sitting right on that 382 area. So we're running right into that 382 support. You actually see we candled right to it. We have not broken below it yet. So let's keep a very, very close eye on the 0.009 area. We need it to bounce here. If anything, this could be the most optimal time to pick Jasmy up. If you like, buying fear, selling greed, this would be the most optimal time to pick it up if we do see a recovery. I mean, look at the buy signals here on the WTX. We haven't had this many in a row in a very, very long time. I dare to say ever. I mean, back here in February 2022, we had quite a bit, but look at all these buy signals that's currently printing on the day chart, which is insane. On top of that, the stock RSI is reset. Stock RSI is reset. The only bad part is the blue is below the orange, which is showing bearish momentum here on the day chart. Same with the RSI. RSI is starting to fall more. We don't want the RSI to fall below this 29 area, so hopefully it holds. One thing that I can see off this 29 area is going all the way back in the past, all the way back to 2022. We bounced off that area there. We briefly broke below it here. We bounced off it on May 13th. So we keep an eye on that 28 support on the RSI, which we're very close at, which could mean like this could be the major support area here at the 382. The one negative thing I see here is the MACD is bearish. We're working on crossing over bearish right here after this slight movement to the upside. So that kind of sucks. But overall, it's been bad. I'll admit it's been bad. I mean, it was above what 1.5 cents since February 2024, and it finally broke below it back here. So anyone who accumulated Jasmy in this time frame is currently down. But you know what they say: buy fear, sell greed, right? We are currently sitting at a major support area for Jasmy, so hopefully we see that bounce that we're looking for here. I bought most of my Jasmy back here at 2 cents. I'll admit it. I have been DCAing. I did buy the dip down here at 1.1. I will be keeping an eye on the 0.009 area. I'm not going to toss any money in it yet. I might put a buy-in order at the wick level of 0.007. What I mean by that is you can see we actually wicked a little bit lower back here, which if we draw the horizontal line right there at this wick, goes back to the prior resistance areas of 2023. So I really want to put a buy in order at maybe 0.08 and hopefully catch one more wick there. But overall, we really need to stay above this 382 support at 0.09, guys. Like it's do or die. The great part about this, I mean, it's not really great. The great part about this is if you look at this pattern, this is the definition of a BART pattern. If you know what a BART pattern or don't know what a BART pattern is, definitely look it up. We are currently at the ground zero base floor of it right now, which is the wick down to that 0.009 area. So right now we're sitting on a hopeful support, which is great. At least we're not in the middle of nowhere or no man's land. The short-term time frame is looking fantastic. 4 hour got the buy signal, the RSI is reset, and the MACD is about ready to flip bullish. So it is showing that this 382 area at 009 is going to hold. It's just in the short term now. We just need to be working on laddering back up to our highs, which in turn would be the next main resistance area is most likely that 1 cent. And then you have the 1, 2, so on and so forth. But fingers crossed, guys. I mean, the Jasmy community is very, very strong. I've been covering Jasmy since it hit its all-time high of $4. And even this entire way down here, you guys held very, very strong. So I think this little dip that we're currently experiencing right now is nothing for you guys. You guys have been through worse. So hopefully find that support, the 382, and we see a bounce from this general area. We can start rallying higher to the upside. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.